Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is your Barker 007. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a PayPal account on your mobile devices. So basically, you have your Android phone, you don't have a computer, and you want to create a PayPal account. Well, this is the video for you. So let's get right into the tutorial. So I'm going to launch Google Chrome, and you need to go to the PayPal homepage, and then you need to basically you could click on paypal.com and you'll let me do it instead of just talking about it. So let's go to the PayPal homepage, and as you can see, we have quite a few options here. We could choose to log in, or we could open the app if we have it installed, which we won't do. And from the menu here, we could sign up for free. So we will need to use this option here, sign up for free, and this will work wherever you are in the world. So as you can see, we have two options. PayPal is a secure and easy way to get paid. So we could create a personal account or a business account. Now, in this instance, if this account is for your personal, well, if you're trying to set up a PayPal account fresh off the gate, I'm assuming it will be for personal use. However, the business account is quite useful as well. So, but for today's video, we'll be doing the personal account. So let's click on next. Okay, so it'll ask you for a mobile phone number. I'll do that just quick. I'll add my phone number to PayPal. And as you know, PayPal will always require you to have a phone number connected to your PayPal account for easy verification that it is truly you who are trying to log into your account. So let me add my phone number real quick. Okay, so basically they sent a confirmation text to my phone right away, and Chrome integrated their smartness and basically inputted the phone number for me. So what you need to do next to set up your profile, you need a legitimate email address, your name, and then your password. So let me input my email address, then my name, my password, and all of that. Okay, so I've added my name, my email, and my password. So I'm going to check stay logged in for faster checkout, and then I'll click on next. You could also check out their privacy statement here, but I won't do that. So let me click on next. So now this is the tricky part. You need to add your street address, your country, state, and all of that. However, this seems as if it's currently detecting me to be in the United States. So, well, I'm going to add my United States address. So I've added my United States address, and now we need to check these boxes to agree to their terms and service. However, if you're in a other country, you could add your address from that country, the street address and the city, and all of that would be just the same. However, there won't be any zip code, especially if you're in my home country. There won't be any specific zip code, but you could add 0000, and that should work. So as you can see, I've added my address. So let me click on agree and continue. And you can also always update your address in the future. So basically, this is a tutorial how to set up PayPal account in Jamaica, in America, and wherever. And as you can see, we got an email or a message. Thanks for confirming your phone number. Okay, so now they're asking us to link a card to our account. We could link the card right now, or we could link a bank instead. So basically, it is asking us to link a card. So what I'll do is I will link the card, or if you click on the here to receive money, so basically there are a few options here. If you click on the here to receive money option, as you can see, we could request right away for someone to send us money through to the PayPal app. Basically, this app has been set up. We would need to confirm a few details. However, basically PayPal is set. So that is how you go about setting this up without using a credit card or linking a bank account. However, if we need to make any purchase, well, if you have money on your PayPal account itself, you could simply use your PayPal account to make purchases. However, if you need to send money from your PayPal to your bank account, you need to connect a bank account. And I already have a video on how to link bank accounts to PayPal address or PayPal accounts. So you could check that out as well. So this is basically how it go about setting up a PayPal account on your mobile device. This does not require you to add any credit card right off the gate. So you need to click on the option that says I'm here to receive money. So that will allow you to basically bypass the credit card input. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, if this got you setting up a new PayPal account right off the gate, please let me know in the comments if this worked for you. And I hope this worked for you, because PayPal is quite a unique service which allows you to send and receive money to purchase things online for basically whichever website you want. So yeah, this is how you'd go about doing this. This is for international Jamaicans, everyone who wants to set up a PayPal account. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Hacker 007 out.